Introduction to the Rock Cycle, Grade 2, Miss Sasso, May 2019. During this lesson, you will be learning about the rock cycle and the processes that take place in order to form the three rock types. As you already know, there are several different looking rocks. Through this PowerPoint, you will learn that even though they may look different, all rocks are connected. First, we will start with sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are made up of sediments. In order for these sediments to form a sedimentary rock, a process called weathering occurs. This process causes rocks to break apart into little bits and pieces or loose material. Weathering is what creates these sediments. Then, the sediments are eroded or broken down even further through a process called erosion. After erosion takes place, the sediments settle and form into a sedimentary rock, held together by materials such as water and crystals. The parent rock of a metamorphic rock can either be an igneous or sedimentary rock. Metamorphic rocks are formed when extreme hot temperatures and pressure are placed on an igneous or sedimentary rock. Once this heat and pressure is placed, the rocks transform and develop layers and crystals, which is when the rock becomes metamorphic. An igneous rock is formed from either a metamorphic or sedimentary rock, making those its parent rocks. Igneous rocks form near volcanoes. When a volcano erupts and the parent rocks are covered in magma, they are melted and then after some time cooled off. Once the rocks cool off, they crystallize back together to form an igneous rock. Going back to sedimentary rocks, their parent rocks are igneous and metamorphic rocks. And through the processes of weathering and erosion, mentioned in the third slide, sedimentary rocks are formed. As you can see, these rocks are all connected through the processes in which they are formed. Rocks are continuously transforming between sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. Therefore, rocks of any type can be converted into any other type of rock. Now, I'm going to review some terms I mentioned in the previous slides. The rock cycle, the transition of rocks between the three rock types, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Parent rock, the original rock from which something else was formed. Weathering, the process that breaks rocks down. Erosion, breaks down rocks even further and moves them. Crystals, a clear, glassy material. Crystallization, when particles form together to make a crystal. The rock cycle is extremely important in our world for many reasons. Without it, we wouldn't have rocks that provide materials to give us energy. Our houses and buildings around us are all made up of rocks and minerals. We use minerals and rocks such as gems, diamonds, and rubies as a type of money and for other purposes. Through the rock cycle, we are given rocks that can be used for so many things around us. You are surrounded by the rock cycle every day, and you don't even know it.